Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to implement a complete thesis level machine learning project titled as Customer Churn Prediction using Machine Learning. This project is highly useful for MBA students working in marketing analytics, business analytics, HR analytics, as well as BTech MSc students working on predictive analytics or classification based final year projects. We will be implementing this project step by step in Google Colab, and the dataset will automatically download inside the notebook. No local installation is required. First of all, we need the dataset for our customer churn prediction project. Here we are using the telco customer churn dataset, which contains customer information such as tenure, monthly charges, payment method, internet services, and whether the customer has left the company or not. Instead of downloading the dataset manually, we are directly downloading it inside Google Colab. Using this command, you can see the command wget and the source of the dataset. Now we load the dataset using pandas and display the first few rows to understand the structure of the dataset. See? After running this command, you can see the structure of the dataset. Now we will import the libraries. We have already imported the libraries, and you know the definition of these libraries because I have explained the definition in the earlier videos. The next step is data pre-processing. Now we move to the data pre-processing step. Here we remove the customer ID column because it does not provide any useful information for prediction. Machine learning models cannot understand categorical values directly, so we need to convert all text-based columns into numerical format. We do this using label encoding. We apply label encoding to all columns that contain object data types. This converts categorical values like yes or no into numeric values like 0 and 1. Okay, so now we will define features and targets. Now we define our input features and target variables. So all columns except the churn columns are considered as input features. You can see here. And the churn column is our target variable, which indicates whether the customer has left the company or not. So our goal is to predict this churn value. The next step is next we split our data set into training and testing sets. So this helps us train the model on one portion of data and evaluates its performance on unseen data. So here we are using 80%. So here we are using 80% of the data for training and 20% for testing. Next step is training the models. Now we train a machine learning model using random forest classifier. So random forest, the people who doesn't know about random forest, so let me tell you, random forest is an ensemble learning method that builds multiple decision trees and combines their prediction for better accuracy and performance. So we fit the model. Using our training data. You can see here we are fitting our model using our training data. And after that, we will do the predictions. Yeah, you can see here. So once the model is trained, we use it to make predictions on the testing data. So these predictions will tell us whether a customer is likely to churn or not. Okay, so you can see the prediction and the accuracy is 80%, which is quite nice. We have evaluated our model performance using accuracy score. So this gives us the percentage of correct predictions made by the model. So higher accuracy, you can see 80%, it indicates the better prediction capability. So this is not bad. Now the next thing is feature importance graph. So this feature importance graph, like we are visualizing the feature importance using this bar graph. So this helps us understand which factor contribute the most to customer churn. So for example, monthly charges or contract type may have higher importance compared to the other features. You can see here, you know. So this insight can help companies in improving their customer retention strategies. Okay, so this was a basic implementation of customer churn prediction using machine learning. So if you're working on your MBA thesis, final year project, research paper, literature review, or need help with data analysis using Python, SPSS, or R, you can check the collaboration details in the description below. We are even having a one-to-one implementation and full thesis support is available. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.